Linders Specialty Company has been around since 1969. My grandpa started the company in a small town called Shoreview, Minnesota. Since then, we've grown, moved. We're now located in downtown St. Paul, Minnesota. We're central of the United States to be able to service our customers on both the East and the West Coast. We started doing work with a lot of general contractors, mainly focusing on architectural staircases, straight weldment fabrications. As we got more involved in the architectural world, we started realizing how much rolled components there were. Being so diverse with the customers that we have, we actually really need every single one of our rolling machines in order to be able to complete projects and components. Our history with Trilogy goes back over 40 years working with Alan before Trilogy Machinery was even established. And since they were established, they've been just a vital part to our operations. The team at Trilogy is great. We really deep dive on how we want our machines to look, what we want them to do, and how we want them to perform. Trilogy works directly with us, who works directly with SweBend, to basically get our machines when they arrive here, how we want them. The one very cool thing that Trilogy and SweBend have done for us is they've been able to make sure that all of our Roundo tooling will match and fit on our new SweBend machines. Trilogy is always on top of it. They give us a call back right away, and they help us support and work through the problem almost immediately. We had a Roundo R4 CNC roller. The controller went out on it. Trilogy came in immediately, shipped us a new SweBend controller, and we were able to save the life of one of our Roundo CNC rollers to make it last longer than it probably should have. The level of service and support that we receive from Trilogy is just unparalleled. We've recently got a SweBend 300 from them, a large angle rolling machine. We have a 4-roll plate roller. You can't even explain how beneficial these new machines that we're getting from Trilogy are. With the variable speed technology that we're receiving, the Bluetooth handhelds that our operators are able to use, which allows them to not only stand near the machine, but work with the part as it's going through the machine, the amount of savings we get is unbelievable. By having these new machines from Trilogy, it's been allowing us to grow our customer base, bring in new parts, bigger products. The future partnership with Linders and Trilogy, it's only gonna grow. Trilogy Machinery's slogan is roll better, bend better, and fab better. Our slogan is moving ideas from minds to metal, and we can't do that without Trilogy Machinery.